I'm Destiny from Some Call It Destiny, and today I want to talk with you about homeschooling pre-K or pre-kindergarten. When it comes to homeschool curriculum for my pre-kindergartner, I'm rather particular. I truly believe that play is best in the formative years, so it's important to me that a curriculum supports my educational philosophy for pre-K at home. I want a curriculum that is literature rich because we're all about books in our house. And I want it to have plenty of hands-on learning because little hands need to move and little bodies need to be busy. And I want one that isn't dependent upon my child sitting down and just going through worksheets. And I have found that Sonlight's pre-kindergarten package, Exploring God's World, is a perfect fit. From the moment we bring our babies home, we are reading to them. It's so important that children have exposure to great literature from an early age. Even before our kids can read their first words, I want them to have developed that love of reading and that joy that comes from hearing a good story. And Sonlight has so many good books in their pre-kindergarten package that we just really love. The other is that Sonlight is hands-on. So their math, the kids are using the beads to count out and to learn their numbers. For the pre-reading and writing, they are learning. They're using sand textile letters so that they can feel them, and there's different things that they use so that it is truly a kinesthetic experience for them, which most little kids are kinesthetic learners, so that is just perfect. I also love that the lessons are short. Our children's attention span is their age plus 1 minute. So for pre-kindergartners, that's about 5 minutes that they can give truly focused attention. And the Sonlight lessons for each subject is just about 5 to 7 minutes long, which makes it perfect because I know that my child then is giving me focused attention for that whole time. And so retention is going to be better, attitudes are going to be better, and it's just going to be a lovely experience all around. The other thing that I really love about this curriculum is that it is short, sweet, and complete. So the lesson plans are all done for you. You know exactly what you are doing that week. It is then broken down by day. All I have to do is grab my materials and go. And that is just wonderful for me. I love that. My son is constantly running up to me and saying, Mom, let's do my science, let's do my math. He's grabbing his Storytime Bible and he's bringing it to sit in my lap to read. And so I know that he is also really enjoying this curriculum. So if you are looking for a homeschool preschool curriculum, I urge you to give Sonlight a try. You can find their link in the post description. Thank you.